Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn off Windows 11 laptop screen with a click using a screen off, that is a freeware tool. For this, I have already downloaded on your PC. Just you need to right click on this one, select here extract all option, then click on this one extract button. This will extract its content into a folder, then open it and you will find and setup file, that is a screen off. It is a portable app. Just double click on it to turn off your monitor on Windows 11. In case you want to make it more accessible, you can pin it to taskbar. For that, right click on this application or just select it and drag it to taskbar. When you will see a link option, just leave it. It will sit on the taskbar. Just click on it and it will turn off your screen. Otherwise, right click on this one, select show more options, and here you can set to pin to a start. You can pin it to a start also. If you want to open it with a keyboard shortcut, I mean you want to turn off your laptop monitor with a keyboard shortcut, then right click on this one application and here select show more options, and then you will find option create shortcut. It will create a shortcut. Right click on this one shortcut option that you have created right now, select properties option in the drop down menu. In the properties box, choose this one shortcut tab and then click on this one shortcut key box and press any key or number from your keyboard. Suppose I want to turn off my Windows 11 monitor using Control Alt plus 1. So just press 1 on your keyboard. Control plus Alt will be added automatically. After that, click on this one apply button. Then click on this one OK button. From now onwards, I can turn off my laptop screen using Control Alt and 1 key. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.